Hello students, today I will tell you a story from the book Learning English, chapter 2, and the topic is Ashoka the Great. This story is based on Ashoka the Great. He was one of the greatest kings. He belonged to the Maurya dynasty. Here dynasty means Rajvansh, family of kings. So Ashoka the Great belonged to the Maurya family, which was started by his grandfather Chandragupta. Ashoka's father Bindusar was a gentle king who looked after his kingdom. He had friendly relations with the neighboring kingdoms. When Ashoka became the king, he extended his kingdom till the borders of Mysore. But the kingdom of Kalinga in the east remained independent. Then Ashoka decided to attack Kalinga. After the battle, thousands of soldiers lay dead or wounded. Thousands of elephants and horses were killed or wounded, and women and children were left heartbroken. Means they were sad, homeless, and hungry. When Ashoka saw all the bloodshed and misery around him, he realized that he committed big mistake. He was filled with shame and sorrow. To win one kingdom, he had caused so much bloodshed. That time he took an oath that he would never ever fight a battle in his life. Ashoka gave up war, not after defeat but after his victory. This made him truly great. When Ashoka returned to Patliputra, the capital of his kingdom, he decided to give his time in looking after his people. He became a Buddhist and spread the message of goodness and peace everywhere. In his own kingdom, he erected pillars on which were written the teachings of Buddha. Some of the important teachings of him were respect and obedience to elders, truthfulness at all times, kindness to the poor, and non-violence. True to his word, Ashoka looked after his people like a kind father. He toured his kingdom and preached to the people. And if there were any complaints, he solved them. He was always ready to help people in times of need. Under his rule, the people lived in peace and there was prosperity all around. For all that he did for his country and for his people, he was truly Ashoka the Great. Now, I will summarize this story in Hindi also. अशोका महान राजाओं में से एक थे। वह मौर्य राजवंश से ताल्लुक रखते थे, जो कि उनके दादाजी चंद्रगुप्त द्वारा आरंभ किया गया था। अशोका के पिताजी बिंदुसार बहुत ही महान राजा थे। वे अपने राज्य की देखरेख बहुत अच्छे से करते थे और अपने पड़ोसी राज्यों के साथ मित्रता का व्यवहार करते थे। जब अशोका राजा बने तब उन्होंने अपना राज्य मैसूर के अंतिम सीमा तक फैला दिया, लेकिन कलिंग का राज्य, जो कि पूरब दिशा में स्थित था, वह अभी भी स्वतंत्र था। अशोका ने कलिंग पर आक्रमण करने का निश्चय किया। उस युद्ध में हजारों सैनिक, हाथी, घोड़े मारे गए और कुछ घायल हुए। स्त्रियां और बच्चे दुखी थे क्योंकि उनके पास रहने के लिए घर नहीं बचा था, खाने के लिए भोजन नहीं था। जब अशोका ने अपने चारों ओर खून ही खून देखा, तब उनको अपनी गलती का एहसास हुआ और उनको अपनी गलती की वजह से शर्मिंदा होना पड़ा। एक राज्य को जीतने के लिए वह हजारों लोगों के खून का कारण बने। तभी उन्होंने शपथ लिया कि वह अपने जीवन में कभी भी युद्ध नहीं करेंगे। अशोका ने युद्ध जीतने के बाद भी युद्ध छोड़ दिया और इसी कारण से वे महान बन गए। जब वह उनके राज्य की राजधानी पाटलिपुत्र वापस लौटे, तब उन्होंने अपना अधिक समय प्रजा की देखरेख में लगा दिया। वह बुद्धिस्ट बन गए और अच्छाई और शांति का संदेश सभी जगह फैलाने लगे। उनके अपने ही राज्य में उन्होंने खंभे चुनवाए जिस पर बुद्ध जी के उपदेश लिखे हुए थे, जिसमें से कुछ इस प्रकार हैं। बड़ों का आदर सत्कार करना, हर परिस्थिति में सत्य का साथ देना, गरीब और अहिंसा के प्रति उदार बने रहना। अशोका अपने प्रजा की देखरेख एक उदार पिता के समान करते थे। वह अपने राज्य में विचरण करते थे और लोगों को उपदेश देते थे। यदि किसी को कोई समस्या होती तो वो उसका समाधान करते। जब भी लोगों को उनकी जरूरत पड़ती वह हमेशा उनका साथ देते। उनके शासनकाल में लोग शांति से जीवन व्यतीत कर रहे थे। चारों ओर समृद्धि फैली हुई थी। अपनी प्रजा और अपने देश के लिए अशोका ने जो कुछ भी किया वह उन्हें महान बनाता है। Let's see some word meanings and their use in sentences. So the first word is dynasty, means family of kings. Ashoka belonged to the Maurya dynasty. Heartbroken means very sad. Women and children were left heartbroken. Next, homeless means without a home. After the battle, people were homeless. Next, hungry means without food. That beggar was hungry. Next, sorrow means sadness. Akbar was filled with sorrow. Next, oath means promise. He took an oath that he would never ever fight a battle in his life. And the last one is devote, means give time. He began to devote his time in looking after his people. Now at the end I am giving you some homework. So see, first is state whether the following sentences are true or false. First sentence is Ashoka was a very powerful king. Bindusar attacked Kaling. To win one kingdom, Ashoka caused much bloodshed. Ashoka was like a father to his people. Patliputra was the capital of Mysore. Next question is, make sentences with the following words: everywhere, kindness, message, and independent. I repeat, everywhere, kindness, message, and independent.